In this video, I'll guide you through how to set availability in Microsoft Bookings so your customers can only book you during the times that actually work for you. We'll walk through where to find your business hours, how to set up a standard weekly schedule, and how to make sure everything is saved correctly so your calendar stays organized. First, open Microsoft Bookings and sign in with your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several options. From that sidebar, click on the option labeled Business Information. This is the main area where Microsoft Bookings stores details about your organization, such as your business name, address, and most importantly for this video, your working hours. After you click Business Information, the main panel on the right will update. Here, you'll want to scroll down until you find the section called Business Hours. This section controls the general availability for your business. In other words, these are the default days and times that customers will see when they go to book appointments with you or your staff, unless you've set separate hours at the service or staff level. Once you've located the business hours area, you'll see the days of the week listed, usually starting with Monday. Each day has options where you can decide whether the business is open and, if it is, what the opening and closing times should be. This is where you'll set your standard weekly schedule. For a typical schedule, you might want to set availability from Monday through Friday, 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m., and leave weekends closed. To do this, make sure each weekday is marked as open, then adjust the start time to 9 o'clock a.m. and the end time to 5 o'clock p.m. If a day is currently closed and you want it open, there will usually be a checkbox or toggle to enable hours for that day. Once enabled, the time fields become active so you can set the hours that match your workday. Take a moment to double check each day. It's easy to accidentally set a PM time as AM or vice versa, which can cause you to appear available at the wrong times. If your business works different hours on certain days, you can adjust those individually. For example, if you close early on Fridays, you might set Monday through Thursday as 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. and Friday as 9 o'clock a.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. Just make sure the times accurately reflect when you or your team are actually able to take bookings. When you're happy with your weekly schedule, the most important step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top or bottom of the business information page, and click it. Without saving, your updated hours won't be applied and customers may still see your old availability. After you click Save, your standard business hours are now active in Microsoft Bookings. Future appointment times offered to customers will be based on these hours, along with any other settings you may have configured elsewhere in the system. That's all you need to do to set your availability in Microsoft Bookings. Go to Business Information, scroll to Business Hours, define your standard weekly schedule, and save. Once this is done, your booking page will better reflect your real working time, helping reduce scheduling conflicts and last-minute changes.